So in this video, I am going to show you how to buy XRP, ticker symbol XRP in Canada using Wealthsimple Trade. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, I want you to scroll down under accounts and press on crypto and then press on trade. Now once you're here at the top, go to the search bar and type in XRP. Once you're here, a couple different options down, it says XRP under cryptocurrencies on the right. Simply go ahead and select that. Once you're on this screen, go to the bottom left and press buy. Now you can type in the amount of XRP that you want to buy. So for example, if you wanted to purchase $3 worth, you would type in 3. It would show you how much XRP you'd be buying, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, press on review. Now once you're here, you can simply go ahead and review the order, make sure that everything is in line and looks good to you, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press submit order to proceed this way with the transaction. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can buy XRP in Canada using Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.